This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Friday, April 15, 2011, and today we're going to revisit 3D Icon. This is a NASDAQ Bulletin Board company trading our ticker TDCP. I scaled this into a 6-month chart, trying to get a better look at support and resistance through this area. Chart's obviously made some great moves from down here as a sub penny to all the way up, touching over a dime. Consolidated, closed up again yesterday, 26%. Big volume, 14.6 million shares traded. You can see we've got a reset in the indicators. RSI pulled back up. Long term's holding over top of 50. Nice look. MACD has reset itself, making a turn. Histogram heading back towards zero, telling us another bullish cross could be in the making. Same look with the PPO. ADX was up pretty high, getting near 60. That's a pretty good point to look for a retrace. And that's exactly what's been going on. Getting some bullish crosses now, the positive DI breaking through the negative DI and heading towards the ADX. So that's starting to take on a bullish look. Money flow reset itself. We always talk about wanting to see those long terms hold up for half the indicator. The 21 is still holding strong. 14 is making its way back up through 50 as well as the 7. The buying pressure yesterday really started to put a turn to this chart. Accumulation distribution showing buying coming back into this chart over the last few days. Shaking money flow even on the reset still holding over top of zero, showing buying pressure is dominant. And we're starting to see a trend line break now in the CCI heading back through zero, so it looks like it's about ready to get its bullish waves back on as well. And same sort of signs coming from the full still. Reset, actually broke into oversold territory, but looks like it's making its turn. Of course, we're going to want to see that continue, see it get back through 50, get trading in the upper half. Just based on the full still, you can see this chart's been pretty bullish for quite some time. The breaks below 50 hasn't resulted in a very long stay there. It's moved back up quickly. Tricks, of course, the lagging indicator, which all you look for in it is hold over top of zero on a retrace. Try and make a higher low from the previous, and continue an upward trend. I mentioned the RSIs, very nice look to them, all three together, holding over top of 50, has a bullish look to the momentum. You can see from a support level, it is definitely kind of an area, dipped a little bit below it. Right through there would be the defined point, right around 0.48, but it did dip below it several times. Pretty good support established at 0.45, right through there. So that area has proven to be pretty strong support. Of course, the move up yesterday, as I mentioned, strong volume. We're going to look for that volume to stay strong and see if this is going to push back north. It pushed through this little channel it had been in for a few days, and through a little bit of resistance right there. It's just below 6. There's really nothing in its way now until it can possibly go up here and try and test this top area again, right around 0.83. So that's going to be the key area resistance I'm going to be looking for. You can see it's wicked above it several times and always pulled back down. What I'm going to be looking for is strong volume to push through that and have it hold over top of that level and try and establish a new high. Overall, though, you can see just a great uptrend. 50 and 200-day moving averages both trending firmly upward. That's a very bullish indication. That's what you look for. Short-term moving averages getting tucked in underneath it again. It's just a very solid consolidation pattern at this point. It looks like it's going to try and continue. Possibly take out the top. The indicators are reset far enough to allow that to happen. And 3D Icon's definitely going back on the watch list to see if it's going to make another move. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the TDCP chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.